Why will this not work when it did yesterday? Which now means I'm going to have to go in through the bloody boot. Welcome to another day and another episode of Will My 36-year-old French Car Start? I had to move it last night because I'd left it outside my parents' house and my mum phoned me saying that someone kept walking around it and acting weird. So I came and moved it last night and it didn't start. So it may or may not start today. I had to jump it last night. Let's see. Yay! I'm going to clean it now, ready for initiate. When I was looking for the 205, I said that it absolutely had to have power steering. Of course, I bought one without, didn't I? I've also got fixed bucket seats, so I can't quite reach to get the clutch in. Oh my God. I'm going to be so ripped by the time I've got used to driving this car.
No broke boys, no new friends. No broke boys, no new friends. No that, no that, no that, no that, no broke boys.
I attempted to tea-cut the car and the paintwork is just, yeah, it needs more than I can do by hand with tea-cut. So I think I'll machine polish it next weekend and see if I can make it look a bit better. So she's all clean, ready. Let's put her back where she was. Are you kidding me? Like, it literally started, what, an hour ago? That is how temperamental my 36-year-old French car is. Let's try again. Maybe I should actually try and fix this, but then it would take the fun out of the videos, wouldn't it? If it doesn't start this time, I give up. Let's see where it is. Looks like it's staying where it is.